So hi buddies, hope you all are great. So in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can split your PDF into pages. So it's like you have a PDF of 20 page and you don't want first 10 pages, then how you can do it, how you can split PDF in free of cost. So for this what you need is you need this app, my PDF editor. It's free of cost, that's why I'm using. So you have to click on open and there is this home page. You have to go to this split PDF option, click on it. Now you have to choose your PDF here. Now I have selected my PDF here. Now there is this option from range to range, so I want from page 10 to page 20. So if I will click on the split and save, then this will be split, and here you can name your PDF. So click on split, okay, click on done, and there go to files and open it. Successfully splitted the PDF. It's pretty easy. You just have to use this option and this app, my PDF editor, and it's all done. It's very easy. So I hope you like this video. If yes, then you can give this video a like and do subscribe this channel. So that's it. Thank you and bye bye.